Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul and we have another unboxing. This time I even did the unboxing in the nighttime because the package arrived late. This is my first watch from Baltany, one of the brands that I heard a lot about. So I thought, okay, I have to try one. Came with this NATO strap, which I don't think I will be using. But anyways, so we first get a leather strap. You get a cloth to clean the watch, and you get instruction manual, which probably you won't use, and you even get a card with a date. That's good. Always good to have these stuff. Most of the other watches don't come with these stuff. By the way, I'm wearing this one. Oh, really nice at these dive. Also punching above its price, let's say. So which one did I get? I got the Historique Américane Homage. So basically this watch copies the Vacheron Constantin Historique Américane 1921, but in a much affordable. I got this one before the whole 11/11 sales. So I paid the full price, and I will see if I can send it back and order another one in the sale time. But let's see. So here we go. So I ordered the hand wind watch because I wanted a thinner profile. So hand winding is not that comfortable, I have to say, with the strap in the way. Yeah, anyways, I just wanted to check how the crown is nice, grippy. The hands go around smoothly. Dial, you have like a salmon dial with a nice touch of silver to it, silver hue somehow, with a stainless steel case. You have the 50 meters water resistance. The movement inside is the Seagull ST1701 running at 21,600, 20 joules, 40 hours power reserve, and the dimensions are, so if you look at the diameter, it's around 38, but the lug to lug is around 44, thickness around 9.5, and lug width is 20 millimeter with a nice buckle system. It looks like a fake rivet on both sides. I'm usually not a fan of fake rivets, but for this price I will let it slide. So here is on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist from the back. It does look quite nice, I have to say. So the idea is it's a driver watch. So basically when you're driving, you have this position. So we will be able to look and glance on the watch without the need to, let's say, change your arm position, which is a nice touch for, let's say, people who had to have both hands driving at the same time. Nowadays with modern cars, you have even let's say digital or analog in some cars as well, clocks in the cars. But yeah, still, it's a pretty interesting homage watch. You have polished case, all over polished, which is quite nice. You have like a bit of place here between the lug, which is also just to keep this vintage look consistent, I have to say. The strap is supple, it feels good, even though it's genuine leather, which is the least quality or the worst quality kind of leather, but still it feels not bad at all, I have to say. The color goes well, complements with the salmon dial. I will cover all the stuff in the review. Just wanted to quickly show everybody the watch, and yeah, it's, I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. I have to some smidges on the I apologize for that. I'm pleasantly surprised about this. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if you have any watch from Baltany, if you have this watch. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe. You'll find the subscribe button here and 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.